Hey, what is up guys, it's Adada here, and today we're going to be taking a look at sneaker reselling. So this is kind of a different video than I usually make. I usually make Rubik's Cube and technology videos if you don't know and you're not subscribed to the channel. But today I'm going to be teaching you guys sneaker reselling, which is a way you can make some extra money. So what inspired me to make this video is that a few days ago, I recently made a huge sale of $800, and I just wanted to show it to you guys because I thought it might be something that you guys would be interested in. Now, I know I haven't been too active on my YouTube channel, and that's because I've been working on this huge project. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know what this project is, but if you don't, I'm going to be announcing it to YouTube in just a few weeks, and it'll be available to you guys in a few weeks as well. So make sure you're subscribed and ready for that. But anyways, let's get straight into the video. So first, what is sneaker reselling? Well, sneaker reselling is buying sneakers for a low price and then selling it for a higher price. So for example, Jordan brand will release about 50,000 Jordans when the demand for them is 200,000. So only 50,000 out of the 200,000 people will be able to get them. So what happens to those other 150,000 people who want to get them but couldn't? Well, they'll go on a secondary platform and buy it for a marked up price. So that secondary platform is where we come in to start selling our sneakers. So we'll try and be one of the 50,000 people that get the sneakers, and then we'll try to sell them to one of the 150,000 people who didn't get the sneakers. And that's basically the essentials of sneaker reselling. Now let's get into how to actually do it and how to actually be successful at it. So before I show you guys exactly how to do it, I'll take you through my last sale of $800, and I'll show you guys exactly how I did it. So the way I made my $800 sale was buying a pair of Union Jordan 4s for a price of $272 and then selling it to somebody for $800 just a few weeks later. So the first step is to know which sneakers to buy, when they're releasing, and the resale of them. So will it be profitable or not? And the way I do that is through Instagram. So let's head over to my Instagram account and see what we can find. Okay, so now we're on Instagram, and here we have an account called worth_the_cop. And basically this account tells you whether if a shoe is worth the cop. So basically if it's worth purchasing to resell to somebody else. So for example, let's scroll down and see the shoes that I was able to buy. The Air Jordan 4 and Union Guava Ice colorway. So the retail is $250 and the resale is anywhere from $790 to $1,100+. So is it worth buying? Yes, it is. And then if you scroll all the way, it tells you whether you should hold it or sell it, and when you can buy them and where you can buy them. So basically all the information that you need. And it even gives you more information in the description. So that's basically where I found out about these shoes and how I knew where I should go to try and purchase them. Okay, step one, that was pretty easy, right? So all you have to do is go see which shoes to buy, when to buy them, where you can buy them, and the resale of them. Now let's move on to step two, which is going to be the hardest step out of all of them. And that is actually trying to get the shoes. Now, it's not as simple as just going to the website on the time and purchasing them. Because if there's 200,000 people that want them and only 50,000 people can get them, that means there's some competition with you. And now I'm going to be telling you guys the best ways to try and beat the competition and actually get the shoes. Now, the first thing you should be aware of when you're sneaker reselling is that other people are also trying to beat the competition with you, and it's not always fair. Some people use computer software called bots that'll try to help them get the shoe. So if you have to click as fast as possible, a human finger is nothing compared to a computer running multiple tasks trying to get a pair of shoes for them, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys the best way that you guys can try to increase your chances of getting a pair of shoes. So some shoes will release in a first come first serve style. So in that case, you have to just get on the website as fast as possible. So make sure to keep reloading the website and try to get on there as fast as possible and click as fast as possible as you can. The second way is raffles, and the best way that you can beat a raffle is sign up with as many phones as possible, ask your friends to do it, and you can say, if you win, I'll give you like $20 if they don't know anything about sneaker reselling. And then, yeah, just have as many people sign up for raffles as you can. And if it's first come, first serve, try to log on to the website as fast as possible. My second tip is make sure you have autofill filled. If you don't have autofill on your computer, then it's probably a 0% chance of you getting a shoe because you have to be as fast as possible. So just make sure you go into Chrome settings and that your autofill is enabled with your credit card details and your shipping location. Alright, so now you've been able to actually get the sneakers by refreshing as quickly as possible with autofill or signing up for as many raffles as possible. And now the sneakers are with you and now you have to sell them. So the best way to sell sneakers, authentic sneakers, is on GOAT. So GOAT is an app that you can download on your phone, iOS or Android, and it's basically a sneaker marketplace where you can put out an ask or a bid. And somebody might bid $800 for a shoe, and let's say you have the shoe, you can sell it instantly for $800, which is what I did. So the way it works is you sell your shoe and then you ship it to GOAT headquarters. GOAT, at the headquarters, they authenticate the shoe and make sure it's real. And then after they make sure it's real, they send you the money and then they send the shoe to the buyer. So now let's head over to my phone so I can show you guys exactly how I did it. Okay, so now that we're in the App Store, let's click search. And then we're going to search for an app called GOAT. And this is my preferred way of selling sneakers. It may not be everybody's, but honestly, I think this is the best way. So this is the one I'm going to be showing to you guys. Now we're going to click open. And once we're in GOAT, we want to hit the sell tab at the bottom. Then click sell your sneakers. And the ones we've been looking at this whole video is the Union Jordan 4 Guava Ice. Let's say we have it in a size 8, new. You can even sell used sneakers on this app, which is pretty cool. Next, good condition, no defects. And then we can list it for $895, which is the lowest price. So if somebody can buy them right now for this, but we will not be able to sell it instantly. If we want to sell it instantly, we can swipe all the way to the left and sell for $845 instantly. So we'll make $759 because GOAT will be taking 10% for authenticating the shoes. So let me just show you how they authenticate it as well. So if we go into orders and sold, then over here we have this and we can view progress. So basically somebody ordered them, I confirmed it, and then I dropped it off at UPS. Once UPS delivered it to GOAT, GOAT authenticated it, make sure they were real sneakers, and then they gave me the money into my account, which I was able to transfer directly through PayPal.